Oscar here from the BMG Store in Nelson. We've got an exciting opportunity with a vacancy in the front of our store. We're looking for an experienced customer service person with a detailed focus and a passion for helping our customers along with their vehicle journey. Every day our professional team work on vehicles from brand new full builds like what's going on behind me to punctures, wiper rubbers and daily repairs. We're a fully equipped workshop. Warrant Fitness qualified technicians, and we're looking for a professional person to join our front of house team and guide our customers through their journey with our store. If you're interested in this opportunity, either head in store to BMG Store, 20 Vanguard Street, or head online to our website and follow the link in the description. We look forward to hearing from you soon.